Now this is how you make complex parts. Welcome to the new world. Welcome to the Index platform.
You could call it turning on steroids. We could be called a mill turn house, turn mill house. We make complex turn parts.
This is our legacy. Gildemeister, Davenports, millions of parts. And this is today on our Index platform. Complex geometry, larger part, and it's one and done.
It's all about one and done.
It's all about being one and done.
One and done.
Wow. The faster we can get your part through our machine, the more you can save.
The concept of one and done is all about how little we handle the parts and how fast we can get it through the machine.
You know, we put a part on this machine, we eliminate a secondary operation.
A machine like this might make 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times the number of parts that our competitors would make on much lesser equipment, so we have a huge cost advantage.
A traditional turn shop would have to take this part and fixture it in a secondary operation to do cross holes, much like we do with our Davenport and Gildemeisters. However, on the Index, we can make this part in a one and done operation with complex geometries.
We are going to be probably the most sophisticated people in the country at doing that. We have the machinery, we have probably $35 million invested in this type of machinery.
Very accurate, extremely fast. Every cycle of this machine, and this is what's unique, every cycle produces a finished part.
But on top of that, they have the tooling that they do has W serrations on it, on the VDI tooling, so they're accurate. So you can preset the tools ahead of time. You can take a tool out of the machine, you can put it right back in, and it's going to go right where it was without making an offset or anything like that.
You know, things like valve bodies and regulator bodies and turn parts that have holes coming from the side and flats on them, things that aren't typically done on a lathe. That's the stuff where we're going to rip cost out for an end user.
One of the beauties of these machines is with the right part, you can produce two at a time.
And if we had to compare an Index to a car, while a Cadillac is nice, an Index is like a Bugatti.
But on the other hand, it's more like a Caterpillar bulldozer, that it is tough and reliable. So it combines the better qualities of both of those things, and it's extremely accurate.
It's top of the line, you don't get any better.
It's the finest equipment that's made in the world.
And that is the beauty of the Index platform.
One of the big things that any buyer would worry about is that they would take the risk of trying a new supplier and the supplier would let them down.
Jake is fanatical about quality, cycle time, and perfect parts. And that spirit is driven through our ranks for production.
And we would like potential customers to understand that if they deal with us, we'll deliver on time.
We don't have limits on our quality control process.
There is no budget for our quality control here. Jake is always out on the cutting edge of bringing in not only production equipment, but quality control equipment.
Our goal is to have every part in the box right, that there'll be zero issues, and we do a really good job. That's why we're successful.
We are so fanatical about quality that we are willing to destroy parts on occasion by EDMing them in half so that we can see what's going on the inside of the part, be it surface finishes, diameters, burrs, chatter, anything, to make sure that our parts are perfect all the time.
We have a number of video comparators at nearly every workstation in the shop.
Starrett is just the latest and greatest for that.
We actually make parts for Starrett. We met them at a trade show, terrific guys, and we see they have some of the most sophisticated metrology devices in the marketplace. Some 14,000 points of measurement are done on this part by an optical micrometer, checking for features to match the blueprint specifications 100%.
Where you have a vision system that's able to locate parts and direct a robot to grab it and then get the part in a known orientation. Once you got a part in a robot gripper, you can do anything you want with it.
It checks our part and it packages our part. Our customer gets a 100% inspected item.
I've been working on that since the early 80s.
Most machine shops have to buy their mill and drill bits from a catalog. You might have to wait 6 weeks. If we break a tool, you might have to wait another 6 weeks. And tools can be very costly, and they can run in the neighborhood of $600.
We've learned long ago that we need to produce everything in-house. We produce all of our external cutting tools, form tools, things like that. We do all of our internal Rotary tools, we have over $2 million invested in our tool grinding facilities.
We have more equipment in play here: wheel balancing, wheel dressing, tool measuring devices than most tool manufacturers have.
I mean, to me, I know that's an advantage that we have over any of our competition, because none of those guys do that. They all buy their tools outside.
We can have a new tool ready for use in a matter of an hour on the machine, save the day and make your part. And there's no charge to you.
I like to brag about our facility that under one roof, we've assembled the brightest group of guys here.
Some 40% of our workforce has been here more than 20 years.
But to learn to operate a machine like this, you really have to be good.
Great employees equals great parts.
Thanks for letting us make your parts.
Thank you for your business.
When your inventory arrives at ALPHA GRAINGER, our staff atomic gun every alloy that comes through the door for 100% traceability. In fact, our guys cannot even turn a machine on unless your tracking information is following the raw material through our process.
There is no one sweet spot for us because of the diversity within the building. You know, there's so many different types of equipment.
When you need high speed, we have our Gildemeisters and Davenports at your service. This is an example of a one and done on a Gildemeister, turning and drilling in one operation. This is our brand new state-of-the-art Carl Roll vapor degreaser with ultrasonic cleaning capabilities, so that when your parts leave ALPHA GRAINGER, they're chip-free and oil-free. This machine is the only one of its type on the East Coast.
All of my life, I've been very fanatically dedicated to the environment. Before there was any environment awareness, back in the 70s when I started my company.
At ALPHA GRAINGER, on our index platform, we have a green initiative. We recycle our own oil. We've gotten rid of solvent to keep the parts clean, and we run the index machines off of the solar panels that we put up on the roof.
We have a 2-acre field plus our 90,000 square foot building covered in solar array, producing 750 kilowatts of electricity for ALPHA GRAINGER. It represents about 1/3 of our electrical use throughout the day.
We want product that most of our competitors are going to look at and go, "Ugh, I don't want any part of that." Well, we will take that part and we will figure out how to run it.
We are going to deliver on time. We're going to give you great quality parts. And I want to let you know personally that you can call me directly, Jake Grainger. I will deal with any issue you have, and I'd love to hear from you.